not that it's over. According to the topic, it's over. So today we are going to create our own stick figures. So how to do? Go to file. You can see this pencil symbol, right? Create figure type. So you have to click on create figure type. But you can only create using two things. That is only straight line, one is circle. Only with this you can create. So I will teach you how to create. See, already there is a line. So I am going to create a boy. Okay, so I will take a face. But one thing is, this dot will join with this dot only. See. So this is face. So now body I want to make. So I will again, this will connect here. You cannot draw here or there. You can connect with this only. So when you join, click, then blue color will come, then it is done. Again now one more line. See, you cannot join this line middle somewhere, only on this red color dot only you can join. I will show you what are the icons. This is toggle segment. This is duplicate. If you want to make one more same like this, you can click this. This is split. More than this, when you explore, you will understand. This one, if you are no need this one, means you can select this and cross. Then it will go. So use this 3 alone, that itself enough. Then it will be splitting. Suppose if you want this line, again you want to make it into 2. See, you can see this, it became 2. So like this. So I will complete this picture and show you. See, I have made a picture like one boy is kicking a football. So like this I have made my own figure. Actually this is like for color filling. Suppose we are taking circle, if you click this, it will be colored. No need that, just you do with circle and this straight lines you have to do. But the thing is, see, it should be attached with all these dots. Now I am going to save this. So I have done so many pictures like this and I have saved. So suppose this is ball. You can name with anything. It will go in the alphabet. Now save. After this, now close this. So now I am going to use all the picture whatever I have created. So we are going to do a park scene. So in park what and all will be there? There will be a swing, the boy is playing ball, some other boy, a bug also I have created. So everything I am going to bring here. So how to bring? Go to file. You know, right, already load figure type. So we have done, see, tree I have done. So I will open the tree. You can see. Then move this another side. You know, to reduce the size also, that also you can do later. Then again load figure type. I have done now, just I have done one ball, right? That also I will include. So like this you can do so many things. At least 5 pictures you do first, then save it. Then you can start it. Ball. Here it is. So now this one. So like this I am going to include all the pictures what I have created. Now you can see I have created a park scene. See, I have done a bug, tree, one boy, one more boy with football and swing. This all I have done already and saved also. Now I am going to give animation for each. I am going to add frame. Like this ball is moving. Now I have added so many frames, okay, like the bug is moving, all these things. I will show you the frame now, animation now. Can you see the swing also moving, the bug also moving, these two are playing. So like this it will take time, but you try and send the GIF to me.